Since foundation, Hite CNC always adhering to the spirit of innovation and constantly break through technical barriers and geographical restrictions to develop a new provincial-level intelligent factories, introducing Taiwan's advanced production technology to become a benchmark enterprise in the CNC machine tool industry. Now has more than 80 honorary titles and various types of system certification, and become a strategic partner with the CCTV network. Hite CNC incorporates advanced high-precision, high-stability, long-life CNC technology with vertical, gantry, 5-axis, horizontal machining centers and CNC lathes and other 5 categories of more than 500 products. In recent years, Hite CNC has established strategic cooperative relationships with famous enterprises at home and abroad, and the R&D team continues to explore and integrate innovative technology into each product. The Hite machine tool technical team consists of experienced engineers who are always ready to ensure that your equipment is running in the best condition. We promise to provide you with timely, efficient, and accurate technical support wherever you are.